Welcome to the end of Year 9 Assembly. What a year it has been. It's been an absolute pleasure to be looking after you again this year and have the chance to celebrate some of the brilliant achievements that Year 9 have put together. So it has been a very eventful year full of highs and lows. Some of you have made some really good progress and we're all very proud of you for this. Your tutors, teachers and your achievement director have decided to celebrate this success with our very own award ceremony. We hope that you enjoy and you will continue to perform to the best of your ability in the year to come. Okay, take your seats and enjoy the show. I hope we're all ready to go. Okay, the ceremony. The following awards are a mixture of academic excellence and effort. There's a few different awards in there this year as well. We'll have a look at all of them together and hopefully lots of you will be able to celebrate with certificates and badges by the time we have finished. So we're going to start off with outstanding achievement, looking at the different subjects that you have learned this year, and 2 awards have been given for students in each of those subjects. So starting with English, congratulations to Damien and Amy, well done. For maths, congratulations to Fikri and Evangeli, well done guys. For science, well done to Paola and Yanis, well done. For geography, congratulations to Brian and to Amy. For history, well done to Shri and well done to Yarik. For PE, congratulations to Daniel T and to Sky. For drama, congratulations Kieran, congratulations Beth. For computing, well done to Natalia and well done to Patrick. For PSHE, congratulations to Burfin, congratulations to Teo. For religious studies, brilliant work from Rewards and from Gigi, well done. For art, massive congratulations to Yoma and to Evangeli. For design and technology, well done to Raul in 9R and Gabriella Z also in 9R. Well done from Spanish to Fikri and Vasily. For EAL, Fabiana and Lydia, brilliant work, well done. For music, well done to Derek and well done to Tasia. Writing for success, brilliant work from Jamie and brilliant work from Beth. Now we're going on to the Form Tutor Award. So I asked your Form Tutors to award someone or 2 people in each tutor group who they felt had really done well this year, and settled in really well and were role models for people in their tutor group. So with no further ado, starting with 9B, congratulations to Natalia and to Rayhan. For 9R, congratulations to Asin, congratulations to Yulia. For 9O, well done to Fikri and Stefan. For 9M, brilliant work from Beth and Alex. To 9F, well done Christina and David. For 9I, well done to Gigi and Damien. And last but not least, for 9E, well done to Eunice and well done to Preslava. You should all have certificates for you there. Okay, now we're going on to our special awards. So this year, some people have been recognised for things outside of the curriculum, outside of tutor time, that they've done beyond their learning. So it's very nice to be able to congratulate Year 9 individuals for what they have achieved. So first of all, our library award for Year 9 goes to Sarah Mulkaki. Well done. First of all, our library award goes to Sarah. Well done. Our Jack Petchey Award. So students can be nominated for a Jack Petchey Award if they do something outstanding in their field of learning. And this year, George was nominated by me, actually, because of the excellent work that he did during lockdown for history. So tremendous extra work and research that was done during lockdown, and absolutely fantastic effort working with his cousin in Year 8. So well done, George. There was a Broomfield Songwriter Award, and Tasia was the winner in 9E for her excellent contribution. So well done to you, Tasia. And also we had 2 students in Year 9 that represented the school in national and international competitions through the Debating Society, and that was George and Vasily. So well done, you two. Okay, now we come to our house awards. So you have been gaining achievement points all through the year. I'll come back to that a little bit later on, but they have been added up, and the top people in the year group have been awarded certificates and badges for those people who are representing their houses. So for Dalton, congratulations to Sevgal. Well done. For Newton, well done to Vasily. For Anning, congratulations to Lavani. And finally to Franklin, well done to Preslava. Brilliant work, guys, well done. Okay, attendance and punctuality. So 10 of you have been awarded certificates for both attendance and punctuality. So congratulations to you 10. 2 certificates winging their way to you, and they go to Arania, Ergin, Raoul in 9R, Bianca and George. Oh, sorry, Beth, we couldn't see your name. Beth, Amy, Bogdan, Desiree and Fabiana. Congratulations, guys, well done. Okay, top achievement points, always hotly contested as the year goes on. So the top 3 students achieving the best and highest achievement points this year are Vasily, well done. Preslava, brilliant work. And Kieran, fantastic, well done, guys. Certificate and badges for you. And Achievement Directors Awards this year, they allowed me to name 3 people who I feel have gone above and beyond the call of duty, and I've been working hard, I've been really resilient in what's been a very challenging year. So well done to Sophia, to Amber, and to Talha. Congratulations, guys. Certificates and badges for you. Okay, house points then, and how that has been finalised this year. 4th place was Newton. 3rd place was Franklin. 2nd place was Anning, which means seemingly for the first time ever, Dalton wins. Yes! Go Dalton! Hurrah! Well done, guys. Finally, I can say I'm part of a winning house. Brilliant work. Well done. Okay, now's the time for the sad bit. Sadly, this year, we've got staff and students we are saying goodbye to. So here are some lovely videos that people have put together in order to say goodbye to some special people who won't be here with us in September. Hope you enjoy, guys.
Hello Broomfield students and staff. This is a very short video to say goodbye. I'm hopefully flying to Colombia next week to start work in a new school as an art teacher. Quite excited by the challenge, but I'll be sad to leave Broomfield. I've had some great years here, and I appreciate my time, and appreciate working with so many great students and so many great staff. I hope you enjoy the summer, and all the best for the future. Take care. Bye.
My name is Haji for everything you've done for us, and good luck at your new school. Thanks for always teaching us and looking out for us, and every day letting us out late. I'm going to miss you so much, and good luck on your new job.
Miss Hadji, what would I do without you whipping 9B into shape? Thank you so much for the last 2 years of looking after that tutor group. Really appreciate everything. Best of luck on your travels and your new exciting adventures. Take care.
Thank you for everything you've done for me, Miss.
So a big thank you to Miss Mohammed. Thank you for helping me a lot, and really appreciate that. And
Miss Moby for being there for me and taking time out of your work to be there for me and talking to me and helping me get through work. Congratulations, I hope you do well outside, and I hope you just have a great life and continue what you have to do. And thank you for being my form teacher. I really appreciate what you did for us, how you put pencil case in our form and how you were planning on to bring water bottles for us when it was hot, and you brought a whole fan for us. You did more than what you were meant to do, and I thank you for that.
Miss Moby, thank you so much for everything you've done for 9E. You've been an absolutely brilliant tutor, looking after those lovely students who've got so much time for you and are going to really, really miss you. Good luck with everything, and thank you so much. Take care.
Hi everyone, I hope you have good luck from Bulgaria and I hope you meet lots of friends.
Hey Eva, I taught you this year and you have been in my form. It's been really wonderful to have you in my both classes, the EAS classes as well as my form. You know you have made such a wonderful progress and your behavior was so impeccable, really good. I'm sorry that you're leaving, but I wish you all the very best in your new move and further in the future. See you, bye-bye.
Ava, it's been an absolute pleasure to have you as part of the year group and have you teaching and learning history in my lesson. So sad that you're going. You've done so well since you've been here. We're going to really miss your beautiful smile all around the place. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Daniel. It's good to see you, Tangerine. I'm going to miss you. And see you.
Hi Daniel, it's been a pleasure teaching you this year. Really good luck in your new school. I think you're probably the best sportsman, certainly in the form, perhaps in the year, who knows. But have a really good GCSE and good luck.
Daniel T, can't believe you're leaving us. I'm very excited though for you and the opportunity that you're going to have at Enfield Grammar. They're absolutely going to love you there, and we're really going to miss you. Especially Sports Day, we're going to be devastated. Best of luck, my love. Take care.
Hi Matthew, we will miss you and I hope you have a good luck in your new school.
Hi Matthew, good luck in your new school. Bye.
Just wanted to say it's been absolutely lovely getting to know you over the last 2 years. Wishing you loads of luck in your new school and hope you continue to be such a happy, smiling boy. Good luck, well done, bye-bye.
Matthew, it's been a pleasure to actually teach you this year. You are a very wild, wacky character, always mentioning my birthday. I know I'm going to be 42 next year. You reminded me, and I know you're going to be 15 and you're super excited. I hope you have a fantastic time in your new place. You really will be missed, and hope you come and see us soon. Thank you, bye-bye.
Matthew, it's been an absolute pleasure to have you in the year group for the last 3 years. Really sad that you're going to be moving on, but I really hope that you love it in your new school. I'm so confident that you're going to do so well. We're all still around. We're all going to be in the same building. I can't wait to bump into you and catch up with you and see how things are going. Well done. Congratulations. Take care. Enjoy the summer.
Matthew, I'm sorry that you're leaving us. But I wish you all the very best. I'm really happy that you have been a marvellous member of our team this year. So we really feel that you're leaving. But I wish you all the very best for the near future in your new school. Bye-bye.
Hi Matthew. Just wanted to wish you the best of luck as you move on to Wesley. I know I'll still see you around the Broomfield campus, and just wanted to say that you are an absolute inspiration. Good luck, bye.
Okay, and hot off the press, we have the sports day results having only happened yesterday, and it was very, very closely fought. So in fourth place was Anning with 205 points. Well done to Anning. Only just beating them into third place was Newton with 210 points. So my goodness me, that was tight. And then in second place, I'm gutted to say it was Dalton, but hey, Dalton, I'm really pleased with how much better we're doing with 350 points, which means winning with 375 points was Franklin. So well done to Franklin. It was a brilliant sports day yesterday. Thank you so much, all of you. It was really, really enjoyable. Okay, so all that's left to say is thank you so much for everything this year. It's been a really, really tricky year. It's been my first year back since being a mum. Don't know if I mentioned that, do go on about it a little bit. But thank you so much for making it enjoyable, challenging, interesting, varying, asking me all the questions under the sun and expecting me to know all the answers, and all your support and positivity as a year group. I am so excited about next year. I'm hoping I'm going to be working with you going into your GCSEs. Lots of you are really excited. Lots of you are a bit worried, completely understandable, but I'm hoping we'll be alongside each other for that journey. Please enjoy your summer. Please stay safe. Make sure that you are doing everything that you can possibly do to make sure that you enrich your lives in the best way that you possibly can. And I will see you all in September. Thank you very much.